Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's super great having you guys here today. So today, guys, what I'll be doing a claim day. So this is different from a cash out day. A cash out day is basically when I cashed out from money making apps that I've been using for a while, and they basically reached the cash out threshold. So I'll basically go ahead and take those earnings out to my ZBD wallet, or either my Satoshi wallet, my Speed wallet, my PayPal account, my Coinbase account, or any one of those. So today we're doing a claim day. So before we go into the claim day, I want to mention to you guys that I basically go ahead and send some earnings to my bank account. So in my PayPal account, I did have around $23, and I go ahead and send $20, as you guys can see right here, to my bank account. So I just want to keep it into consideration. So this is because I think last month, which is June, I wasn't able to come up with a cash out PayPal to my bank account because I was so much into stacking stashoshis. And guys, those stashoshis has paid out for me, so I don't have any like, oh, I should have stick to cashing out PayPal. Those stashoshis have basically just increased in value. So I would say I would make the same thing even if I had cash out PayPal. It's the same thing, but it's just in stats, right? So yes, guys. So now I did go ahead and actually buy some stashoshis already with this $20. So I just go ahead and send it back to my account. So yes, guys, so that's basically how I do it. When I earn PayPal money, I either go ahead and buy stacks or stashoshis. So yeah, so now let's get into the daily claim for today. So as I mentioned to you guys about the cash out, what was it? It was the 20, okay, it was a 31 cash out day in July, and I've missed a week, right? Because have you guys been noticing I was doing some live and then I got a strike on one of the live, so I wasn't able to upload video for a week, and that's the reason why I just didn't get to complete that. So just want to say to you guys that is sometimes happen. Sometimes you ever wonder when you're basically just so close to accomplishing something, and then something happened and then it doesn't work out, and then afterwards sometimes you don't even planning for something, you don't expecting something, and it happens for you. So that's just life, how it goes. It even happens when it comes to earning with money making app also, right? So just gonna keep all that into consideration. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna do some claims. So let's get straight into the claim. So claim is basically, what do I do daily just to increase my cash out, my payout, right, when it comes to money making app. So the first one I'm gonna go into my Roblox token, right? So right after this video, I'm gonna do a NC wallet update because I haven't done that in a while. So how you go ahead and start basically doing your claims is just by starting your money making app. So with this one, we're just gonna press the earn button, and then we're gonna press the continue to earn, and then we're gonna press the earn more, and just like that, it's mining. You can see I have approximately 3 hours before I have to do it again. So yeah, so with this money making app, they come in 4 forms. They come in the Roblox Fit, the Roblox Relax, and the Roblox VPN. Because I'm using money making apps, majority, like 9.99999.9 of money making apps that I use, I cannot use a VPN. So I don't use the Roblox VPN, but let's say you are not earning, you have different devices, you can go ahead and use that one. And the thing is, it just used just like this one. Just to keep all into consideration, you have to turn on the claim button or the earn button, right? So yeah, so after doing this, I normally do um my Litecoin giveaway and Bitcoin Cash giveaway. Now, as I mentioned to you guys, with these money making app, they no longer do screen recording. So you will realize that once I'm doing this, the screen will be dark and you're just hearing the sounds, right? So if you want to know how this one goes, you have to check out my older videos or my previous videos where I shared to you guys how I earn with these money making app just by doing daily claims. So with this one, which is the cash giveaway, both of them rather, guys, they have a daily claim and they also have a 3 hourly an hourly claim and a 3 hourly claim, right? There's no daily claim, there's a hourly claim and a 3 hourly claim, right? And how you have to do is just press a button and you just earn some coins, and that stacks up over time, and that's how I'm able to the minimum threshold. So just to keep all into consideration. The next one that I'll do, I don't know if I have any options to do it, is the tadpole. Sometimes tadpole does give like free like 2 question surveys. Okay, there's none at the moment. And the next one is basically the zap survey. Sometimes the zap survey, okay, so as of right now, the claims okay, so you can see that I have around, I don't think this is about what, I think this is 0 hours, so I have to do day 12 claim. Okay, so I'm just waiting until they give me the green light to do that, and then I'm able to do that, right? So yes, guys, and the next one that I'll do is my Qmee. Sometimes, like my Qmee, it has different time when you're able to go ahead and actually do your poll. So right now it's 6 something and I have to wait till 8:01 in order to do my pop quiz. So just to keep that into consideration, I'm just gonna do the daily poll. Okay, you'll be the dinosaur. Okay, okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's basically, guys, how I go ahead and do some claims. So the next claims are like basically my Bitcoin mining claims, right? So we're gonna go into the BTC account first, and I'm gonna share it you guys how I do this claim. So I just click the claim button, and that's how the money making app starts to like earn. So yes, guys, Bitcoin mining my Bitcoin mining app, I forgot to turn it on. It's every 24 hours, and I think it's every 11 o'clock my claim's supposed to start, and for some reason I did it. So what happened is once the 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 time finishes, right, on the claim, you have to come and start the claim, but the claim will be running. So they're not gonna wait and you before they give you the full 24 hours. They're gonna start it, and wherever you start the claim, that's how much claim you're gonna be earning, right? So yes, guys, so that's how I start a claim. You can see I have 16 hours leave. So you can see basically I waste 12 hours out of earning, right? Sometimes I fall asleep, I forgot to do that. So yeah. And the next one is the Bitcoin cloud mining. This one is similar to the BTC coin. So yes guys, sometimes I have to, this is the thing, sometimes I have to go. This money making app guys is that almost every day I have to upload, I have to upload or upgrade the app. I don't know why, it's just like like yeah, like daily I have to update the app, but that's okay. We're just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna share with you guys how I do this claim, and then afterwards I'm gonna put the video. The video is getting too long, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the next claim um apps in part 2, so just stay tuned for that also guys. So yeah, so all the apps that I mentioned to you guys, I will put the link in the description down below for you, so it'll be super easy to just click the link and make your very own account so you can earn, right guys? So yeah, they won't be in an order like order the video, it will just be scattered, so you have to basically just look through the description and you will find the app. So just want to say to you guys also why this is loading is that, let's say you decided to earn the money making app that I've been using, and let's say you click the link and it bring you over to the Play Store or it bring you on a website to open the money making app. If the money making app is not um, um, operate in your country, maybe your region, you won't be able to use the app. So you have to just leave the app, that one, and find another one, right? I have multiple money making apps. I have money making apps that earn similar, right? Just to keep into consideration. So if you like a specific form of earning, there are other money making apps that is earning in that is you can earn in that specific method of earning. It's not the one app. This is how it looks when it's running. So yeah, so guys, basically stay tuned for part 2. So yes guys, so yeah.